Hey guys, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I want to show you something really cool, a new Molnify feature which is called FileUpload, and it will let you create Molnify applications that allows you to upload videos or images or PowerPoint presentations or PDFs or Excel files, any kind of file really, to them. So this could be great for an app that lets you register company expenses, for instance, where you enter your expense and you pull out your phone and you snap a picture of the receipt and you save that within the app. Other applications that comes to mind might be industrial inspection applications, where you go around and you tick boxes and you write comments in an app around an industry. You also snap pictures that you attach. One more could be survey applications, where you survey buildings and you add pictures to that. But let's dive into how you construct an app like this. It's super simple actually. So let's pull up Excel here, a blank piece of Excel, upload image, for instance. And then I'll turn this into an input by coloring it green. And in the UI cell here, I will just simply type FileUpload, and I will spell that correctly, FileUpload. Then I will construct an ID, and the ID is going to be YouTube file upload, like that, and the name would be YouTube file upload. Alright, so we're done. Let's turn these cells into metadata by coloring them purple, text white, because it's easier to read. Maybe make that a little bit larger. And this is the entire app now. This is ready to receive pictures or videos or any kind of file really. Alright, so I'm going to save this to my computer, and once it's saved, I'll have it here. This is the file upload YouTube. I will head on over to Molnify, and here at app.molnify.com I've already actually clicked create app, so the only thing I need to do is drag my Excel file to this area here, and it will upload as an application to Molnify. So let's do just that. I'll drag it over, and now it's uploaded. It converts into the application with only one input, where it says drop files here or click to upload. So I'm going to get an image now from my computer and upload that. Okay, so here I have an image. It's whoops, let's bring it into view like this. This is just a picture of me creating a YouTube tutorial, so I'm going to upload that. So I'll just take it and drag it over to the Molnify app, and as you can see, it'll upload straight away. And here's the picture now as an input in the application. I can click it and I can view it. Let's say now that I want to display this image as well in an output box somewhere. Let's create that by going back to the Excel, and then just my picture, and here I could type in something like this, img src equals, and then I will add whatever is in like that. Yeah, that's the correct syntax. So I will add whatever is in this input cell here, and then I will also add height equals, let's say 500, and end quote. So that's it, that's my text, and I'll turn this into an output by coloring it red. But I want this not as an output box, I want it as an HTML panel. So I'll type HTML and hide copy, and I'll save the file again, move back to my application, click the cloud so I get the sidebar. Then I will just grab the file from Excel and drop it here, and it will upload, and now it will create an output for me, which is empty right now. But if I once again get my file and I will upload it, it will show here as an output, a bit bigger as well. So one thing I think you want to add here, because if I reload the web page, the input is gone, right? So what you want to add to this application is the save scenario function, so that you can save your files as a scenario as well. So heading back to the Excel file and the metadata, I will just type in the metadata enabled for save, and then in the next cell to the right, true. I will fetch the format and color these cells in metadata colors and then save again. If I pull this over to the sidebar, we would have enabled the save scenario function. So once again, I will upload my picture. It's done, and then I'll click the little diskette icon I get up here, and I'll just type test 1. That's the name of it, and it's not going to be private, and I don't want to allow others to overwrite. I'll just going to hit save. Successfully saved. Cool. We can see that in the scenario list here we have test 1. So if I reload the web page, I can just click select scenario, and I can click test 1, and I will get my picture. So here we have an app built in less than 5 minutes that lets you upload images or videos or PDFs or whatever, really. You can use this application on a computer like I'm doing at the moment, but you can also use this app on a mobile phone or a tablet, and that would have it look like this. It still works the same. So if I'm on my phone, for instance, I can click the hamburger menu here. I get the scenario list. I can load the scenario here. I can also use my phone's flash drive or camera to upload images or videos to the app. So that's it, really. If you guys want to create your own application, please head on over to app.molnify.com to sign up for a 30-day free trial account. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.